Boost your savings with mutual funds. Are you looking for ways to see your account flourish? Well, worry not. There is a way to save and grow your money with mutual funds. Discover how mutual funds work in simple terms. Mutual funds are often seen as confusing financial jargon, but it is very simple in reality. Mutual funds pool money from many investors, managed by experts called fund managers, who decide where to invest. You can choose from various types of mutual funds based on your goals and risk tolerance. Let's delve into the benefits. Diversification. Instead of putting all your money in one place, mutual funds spread it out across many different investments, managed by professionals. Run by experts and fund managers, make smart decisions about where to invest your money. Easy access. Your money isn't tied up, which means you can buy or sell your mutual fund shares whenever you want, usually within a few days. Affordability. With mutual funds, you can invest a little bit to start with. As low as ₹500, you can still get in on the action and start growing your money. When is the right time to invest in mutual funds? How can you invest in mutual funds? Stick around to find out. Let's delve into the basics. Decide how you want to invest. You can invest in mutual funds online or offline. If you choose to invest online through HDFC Bank, you'll need to have an ISA, Investment Services Account. If investing online, log into your HDFC Bank account. Select the mutual fund scheme you want to invest in, align your investment amount and lock-in period. Make the payment for your investment transaction. The units you purchased will be automatically credited to your ISA account. Setting up a SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, is also straightforward. You can specify the number of investments, amount of investment, and the date of investment, and it will be automatically deducted from your account. If investing offline, visit a branch or office of HDFC Bank or the intermediary. Fill out a simple form to invest in the mutual fund of your choice. For SIP investments, fill out a SIP form specifying the number of installments, the amount of investment, and the date of investment. Submit the SIP form along with a check for your first installment. For subsequent installments, you can set up an ECS, Electronic Clearing Service mandate, and the future installments will be automatically debited from your account. Before diving in, it's crucial to identify your investment goals. Let's explore the checklist together to ensure you're making informed decisions. Understand risk and return. Choose between growth and dividend options. Decide between a lump sum or SIP. Online or offline investment. Direct or regular investment. Ready to grow your finances? Click below to explore investment plans with us and secure your financial future. Don't delay. Take charge of your financial future now. Select your investment plans and start your path to financial independence today.